Hey, good evening time everybody. 018 here, Donkey Stomper. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Please take time to join our YouTube membership. We'd love to have you. Alright guys, we got a 800 high drive 8 pill. This box has been around a couple places, but it's in good shape. It's one I built. Somebody's changed a few things in it. It's alright too. It's in good shape. Okay, I put this transistor, that resistor, that resistor, and that resistor. So I put 2 pills in it. So y'all check it out. Another old school Stomper. I didn't put this fan on it. I couldn't ever handle it, but it does move there. Man, it's loud. So we'll do a little test review on it. Straight to SWR. Hello, worldwide. Zero. Listen to this fan. Input SWR, hello, just a little, not bad. Although it may none, it don't have none, so it's good. Hello, no warning. Alright. So radio drive, and it's alive, radio drive, and it's alive, so 950 PLP. Turn on the little 2 pill. Let me set the deck, you know, good on this one. I'll probably get it all jacked up. We'll turn up on my thing because the fan's so loud. Let me tell you, man. I got about 170 deck right there. So, I'll get back up. Hello, T-Bait. Worldwide, 999 on the 8 pill. 5 on reverse. Oh, worldwide, what, right on the money? $20 or what, PB? Hello, worldwide, about 15 cents and some change on the bird. I thought that bird keeps getting tighter and tighter. Hello, worldwide, go down. You can't find no pieces of the SWR on this thing. Hello on this, my LP's been acting a little crazy. That's why I put them up there to start with. The LP likes to pick up, so I got no sensor over here. You gotta watch them, they like to pick up, other stuff and make them show water. Hello, 1, 2, worldwide, change, 1, 2, change, over there, right there. Just change channel. It's good. You get some ripple off power supplies. I got some new power supplies coming from LP, so I'll fix that. Hello, worldwide. Get on that. There she is, guys. Donkey Stomper, 800 high drive 8 pill, fixed and repaired. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all take care. Please take time to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Please take time to join the membership. Girlfriend 10, 08 Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.